Pablo Picasso. He was born in Spain. You'll have to look that up on a map. Didn't bring my map today, but you can find that. You can find it in a book about geography or a book about maps. I think that's called cartography. So he was very famous, and he was always changing his style of painting. People like to see, what's Picasso doing now? He was quite a showman. He got a lot of attention, and so people always wanted to know what Picasso was doing. When he started out, it was kind of amazing, I think. I don't know about the kid in the high chair, but he painted this when he was only 15. And that is really good for a teenager to be able to paint something that looks like this, very realistic. But then when he was 57, he did this, which is not realistic. And I think that Picasso is known much more for this type of thing than he is for this type of thing. Some people yawn and go, boring when they see this. I like it because it says to me he knew how to draw people really well. He later, or eventually, developed a style called Cubism. There might be something else in this book. He had a friend named George Braque, who was the one who started Cubism, but Picasso kind of took over and claimed that he was responsible for Cubism. Braque was still famous, but Picasso took over the whole Cubism idea. And Cubism is a way of painting. It's abstract. It's often described as breaking up something that you're looking at and putting it back together. That picture is known as a portrait of D.H. Kahnweiler, who was a friend of Picasso. So there's a man in there somewhere. So he continued to do that for quite some time. And the picture that we're going to be using today is a Cubist picture. It was a Cubist painting of his girlfriend named Marie Therese. I think maybe Miss Sue is going to help me put that up here. Take a look at how he has created her face. Is it profile? That means, is it side view? Do you want to use this one, Miss Sue? It's a little bit bigger. It's hard to know whether he was looking at her profile or straight on. It's like he's combined the faces there. It's a tall picture, and that's why you can see that your paper that you're going to be using, I've written the word top, so you know which way to orientate the paper. I wonder if Marie Therese liked being pictured like this. I'm not sure that I would. I'm not sure. So her face is broken up and sort of put back together. Her eyes are uneven. You know, most people's eyes are kind of straight across and level. The eyes are uneven. Most people's eyes are roughly the same size. These are very different. She's got two nostrils, like you're looking at her nose straight on, but her nose is turned like she's looking sideways. So I guess you have to decide which direction you think she's looking, or maybe that's the whole point of the painting. I don't know, that we can do two things at the same time. I really don't know. So we are going to be doing what's called a study of this painting. I can go ahead and take that, Miss Sue. Thank you.